Hello friends, welcome to a new lecture on one more surgical instrument. So this surgical instrument, it is called as Joll's thyroid retractor. Joll's thyroid retractor. So if you see this Joll's thyroid retractor, it is a self-retaining retractor. Number one, it is a self-retaining retractor. So the main use of this retractor is in thyroid surgeries, used for just thyroid surgeries. Okay, so this is the main use of this retractor. So if you see, it has these two ends and it is something like this. So this is Joll's thyroid retractor. So I think this is Joll's thyroid retractor. So thank you guys for watching my lecture. If you have any issues, please comment it in the comment section. Thank you for watching my lecture. Thank you.